can't treat international rugby like club rugby. If you go into the national team, dominating 7 Super Rugby winning titles, that's not a guarantee we're going to beat England. You're not going to beat South Africa.
Yes, modern rugby, in fact, so sports, but especially with rugby, you must be honest. Because chances
be successful.
Because chances are be successful. Puma.
Yes,
Puma.
Dlamini,
Puma. Because I was a coach, Shark winning titles. Coach club John Dobson. Just because a coach is Thomas are doing well.
Does that mean by he's
exactly
he's a Springbok material coach?
I'd rather take a coach because kudali nations iboni players, conditions, indlela yokudlala, because as well as fun, to be honest, as well as fun. Uzohlala apha Man City, no, they're dominating, they're beast. In international is totally different from land.
Imagine Rasi in the path to Springbok.